Hey, how much assembly does the Radio Flyer Flex require? Well, I'm going to show you right here. Hey guys, this is Richard with eBike Reviews and Adventures. So we're happy that Radio Flyer decided to send us the Flex so we could test it out and review it here on the channel. And the assembly is pretty simple, straightforward, nothing too difficult. After you get it out of the box and everything unpackaged, you'll have to install the front tire and also the front fender up here. Moving towards the back, you're going to have to install the pedals and the kickstand, which mounts underneath the frame right back there. We have passenger foot pegs that are going to go mounting right about there. And we do have a front headlight that we need to install and plug in as well. And then with that, we're going to be ready to go. So we do appreciate it. Oh, right out of the box, we did already install the handlebars because they were dangling loose like they usually are. And so we went ahead and mounted it right here to keep anything from breaking because it was dangling. So that was also done. But a real simple process, should take about 30 minutes to install, get everything ready to go so you're ready to ride your brand new Radio Flyer Flex. Hey, be looking for the next video because we're going to give you our first impression ride, then we're going to give you a full review and let you know everything we like about it and anything we think could be improved. Stick around for the next video. Make sure you subscribe.